yesterday I showed you a drop 2 pattern, and I got a lot of questions as to, Mark, how to use this thing in timing. How do I really apply this to a song? Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to really use this in timing. And it's pretty simple. I'm not going to go into details as to what a drop 2 is. You can watch yesterday's tutorial. But as a quick overview, drop 2 is basically taking the highest note, second highest note from the right, and put it at a lower octave in your left hand. For example, the C sharp triad, which is a C major, C sharp major, you take the second note, which is 1, 2, the F, and put it in your left hand, and you omit it from the right hand. If you're playing a major 7, same thing applies. You take the second highest note, which is 1, 2, which would be A flat, and put it in your left hand. If you're in F sharp, the same thing. Second highest note, which would be 1, 2, put it in your left hand. If you play this chord, second highest note would be E flat. 1, 2, take it and put it in your left hand. The same thing applies. So I have a click track here. So the timing I showed you for the drop 2 was a 6/8. So let's say we're in the key of C sharp and we're playing the progression, the 6/4 progression. For example, 6, 4. You notice we have a lot of space. After the 6, a lot of space. So what we're gonna do, instead of playing the 6, we're just gonna play that drop 2 pattern, which would connect us to the F sharp. Let's go again. You see that? We ended up on the 4. Come again. Cool. And you also can play around with the timing. You don't have to play it straight like that. You can improvise, add your own feel to it. For example, you can do something like this. You can omit a note. You can. So you just play around with the timing. It doesn't have to be the straight one way to play it. I didn't want to show you a specific song because I want you to not be stuck in learning that drop 2 pattern in a specific song, but the key is to identify how it feels and the correct timing. So when a certain song comes up, you might say, you know what, I can use that pattern that Mark showed me here. It feels as if it can work. And if you feel as if it's too long, you can cut it short. You can do that. You can cut it even shorter. Just play around with it. You can't even do this. Everything is a drop 2. Even the F sharp, we're playing it as a drop 2. So that's basically it, guys. Just give it a shot and practice it. It takes a while for your finger to get accustomed to playing it. So the more you practice, the more effortless it becomes. So leave a comment and let me know if it was useful, if it was clear. And until next time, stay safe.